Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Squarespace tutorial step by step.
Are you looking to start fresh with your Squarespace website? Maybe wipe the slate clean for a brand new look or project? In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to reset your Squarespace website so you can get back to square one with confidence. By the end of this video, you'll know step by step how to safely remove your existing site and create a new one without hassle. Let's get started. First things first, head over to the Squarespace website. If you're already signed in, great. If not, just pop in your login details. This is your command center where all the magic happens. Now, if resetting your Squarespace is what you need, maybe things have gotten cluttered or you just want a clean slate, this next step is crucial. Look down at the lower section of the screen and you'll see your user account. Give that a click. This will bring you to a dashboard where you can manage everything related to your Squarespace projects. Once you're in the dashboard, you'll see a list of all the websites you've created under your account. Take a moment here. If you have multiple sites, make sure you're focusing on the one you want to reset. This step is kind of like decluttering a workspace before starting a new craft project. We're about to delete your website, which means all the content from pages to images and customizations will be permanently removed. If there's anything on your site that you want to keep, maybe a favorite page layout or a batch of photos, now's the time to back those up. You can export your content, download images, or save text files so nothing important gets lost. Ready to go? Okay, go ahead and delete your website. Squarespace will most likely ask you to confirm this. They know this is a big step, and they want to make sure you're not deleting the wrong thing by accident. So pause and double check. If everything looks good, confirm the deletion. This part might take a few moments, especially if you have a lot of content, so don't worry if there's a short wait. With your website deleted, you're officially back to the starting line. Now let's set the stage for your new project. Look for the Create Website button. It should be right there in your dashboard. Click on it, and you'll be taken into Squarespace's fresh site builder. Just imagine this as setting up a brand new house. You get to pick the template, the style, everything from scratch without any leftover bits from your old site cluttering things up. And that's it. You've reset your Squarespace website, and you're ready to begin building something amazing. Whether you're changing the theme, updating your brand, or just clearing away old drafts, you've given yourself a blank canvas with plenty of room to create. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a thumbs up. Drop any questions you have in the comments. I check them regularly and love helping out fellow creators. And if you want more easy-to-follow Squarespace tutorials and tips, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching and happy building!